So, Zayden, you want to come closer? So, from our last video, the little impromptu hike, we decided we'd come up with some adventures that were close to home, and we own kayaks, and Onion Creek is close. It's less than 10-15 minutes away from the house, and so we decided we'd shoot here. But as you can see, what's happening, Zayden?
It's raining, and it's cold.
It's raining. It's not that cold. Well, the rain's cold.
The rain's
but
cold, but...
So we're gonna continue and hopefully not get hit by any lightning bugs.
You just told me it was safe.
I said what?
You told me that it was safe to be out here, and now you're saying we might get hit by lightning.
Bugs, lightning bugs.
Oh, that's what you're saying now?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, hope y'all enjoyed the trip. We forgot our chest mounts, and well, we forgot the screws. So anyways, we'll hopefully get some good footage. Bye.
So, we just got finished eating lunch, and we had a little bit of excitement before. We were trying to go up some rapids, and I kind of got stuck on this big tree, and so my mom comes over and tries
Long story short, you're not going to see any footage from Zayden's GoPro.
Yeah.
It is at the bottom of Onion Creek.
And I basically capsized over in my boat and got hit on the head, so.
He was stuck under his kayak for a good, I don't know, 3 seconds or so. It was enough to give us all a little scare, but hey, we've all lost a GoPro on a kayak trip. That's not too bad.
Yeah, I guess.
And there's no blood on his head, so
I should be fine.
we'll see how long he milks the injury.
Shut up.
What?
Shut up.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. We didn't get to do everything that we would have liked to, and we lost some of our footage because I did lose the GoPro, but just goes to show that you still can find adventures close to home.